Hey, what's up? What's going on? I'm Russ. This is my channel, Dapper Dividends, and you clicked because you want to find out how to find a potentially undervalued stock in a beaten down sector. I'm going to show you that with the FinViz app. Let's get to it. Now, before we get to it, if you do get value at any point in this, if I help you out at any point, help me out with a subscription. Walk, don't run, and gently tap that subscribe. Like the like button and the subscribe. There should be a subscribe button. Click on that. We'll all be happy. Let's get to it. So this is finviz.com. They have a elite version which has access to a bunch of customizable features, but we're not going to worry about that right now. What we are going to worry about is showing you the groups. And let's click on groups. Oh, by the way, this is a really cool site. Did I say that? There's a lot of information here. Go on finviz.com, play around with it. But what I'm going to show you is how I use it to find potentially undervalued companies inside of beaten down sectors. So recently, the utilities has been bad. They are the bottom except for the 1 week. You see the 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3-month relative performance, the half year, 1 year, and the year to date. I like to do half year. It gives us a good slice and snapshot of something that's beaten down. Utilities is the worst performing. It will bring you to the screener page, and these are all the utilities sector companies. Now, what I will do is I'm a dividend investor, so right off the bat, I look for yielders over 3%. Now, it's going to show you more of the charts, and if you are somebody that does technical analysis, very cool. They draw a bunch of lines on there for you. Again, you can play around with a lot of it, but the only thing that we're going to do right now is click on valuation. It'll bring it into more of a condensed list. Now, there's plenty of things you can change here. This is the descriptive. You can change here we'll change analyst recommendations to buy or better. Now we'll go hold or better. Make sure there's no garbage in there that the analysts are recommending. And there's fundamentals. You can select plenty of the drop downs, technical, and if you click on all, it gives you access to all of them. Really cool. Whatever you're looking for, put in anything you're looking for. So one thing I really like to use is also the average volume. You want stocks that are very liquid, so if it has an average volume over 500,000 shares a day, do that. We went from 58 to 37 stocks. And obviously, you can see that they are all nice broken down. All these columns are sortable. One thing that's pretty solid is the earnings per share past 5 years. It's going to start from the bottom to the top. We're going to click it again and see the top to the bottom. So right there are 5 solidly performing earnings per share. And right here we see NRG and AY, which is Atlantica Sustainable. I did a video which has Atlantica Sustainable inside of it right here in the stocks that I think will do well under President Biden. And third is ticker SBS, which is, oh boy, un momento por favor, Compañía de Saneamiento Básico de Estado de Sao Paulo. It is a regulated water company in Sao Paulo, Brazil. Blanca was from Brazil. Do you know who Blanca was from Brazil? That's an Easter egg. Let me know. And number 4 is Avangrid Incorporated. So there you go. And then you can play around with it. Just really cool, really easy. And then here's the bonus for you. Quick bonus, crypto time. You can see the crypto performers. They show you the 1-day relative. But take it a step further. Click on performance, and you will be able to see the performance day, performance week. You can sort it however you like. And then if you like, click on charts and they will give you charts, Bitcoin to the US dollar, Bitcoin to Euro, Bitcoin. It's all here. Again, fantastic site. Finviz.com, highly recommended. I have found so many different stocks on here. And as you can see, we've got all 7,837 stocks in here. And let's just have fun. Let's see the most volume traded stock. It is Sundial. So this is also a way you can find momentum plays by looking at that they have had 402 million shares traded. So that's FinViz. If you weren't aware of FinViz, you are now. There is just a dearth of information on FinViz at your behest to use to help you locate some undervalued stocks. And this is a main reason why I was buying companies like Prudential and MetLife and not Aflac yet inside of the financial sector, because the banks were having big regulatory headwinds and the whole sector was dragged down. And what's inside of the financial sector? The insurance companies. The insurance companies, I love the insurance companies because they are not a banking institution. They are pretty safe. One thing about the insurance companies is that when bond yields rise, that is really good for the insurance companies because they take the premium in and they don't pay it out until there's a claim filed. So while they're taking premium in, they invest it in stable, safe assets like bonds and treasuries. And that is good for us investors. When those yields go up, that is good for insurance stocks. So I found insurance stocks inside of the beaten down financial sector, just like we located NRG and Atlantica inside of the beaten down utility sector. Those are two very good performing companies that may be on sale because the whole sector is down. Again, if this helped you out at any point, help me out with a subscribe. Follow me on Twitter at RustyRam78. Hit me up on Instagram at Dapper Dividends. And this is not financial advice. My thoughts and entertainment shared for fun and entertainment. I screwed that up, and I will talk to you in the next video.